am I doing? I am peeling carrots with a headlight on because we're in a harvest host in wine country with no power. So this is how I peel carrots. No power. Also, what's this one if you're in trouble? Let's see, where is it?
Red light.
Alright, bear with me. Ah!
That's what happens when they're brand new.
I can't find it, but there's a red flashing light if you have an emergency. Which we're praying for none.
No emergency.
Thank you, God.
Just peel carrots, honey. I love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Our next stop will be, well, we might make mini stops, but tonight we're staying in Gold Beach. And tomorrow we have reservations to go on a speedboat. And I forgot the name of the river that we're on, but Bob and his kids have done this ride before. So I'm looking forward to having the experience. And you know, who doesn't like a good speedboat ride?
Welcome to Dick Taylor. We are bean to bar craft chocolate maker. So we import all of our beans from different regions of the world, such as like Brazil, Madagascar, and Belize. But we roast all of our beans in that far, far back room right there. And then in that middle room is the whole refinement process where there's the milling, the conching, and the tempering. And then this room back here with these small windows is the whole packaging room. And then this little machine right here to your direct right is the flow wrapper, where all the bars are packaged in their little plastic wrapping and packaged on these envelopes that you saw at Just My Type. And then this white window right here looks into the molding room where all of our bars are actually formed. And you can see them right there kind of setting them up into the paper tray until they shrink a little bit and they're a little bit easier to pop out of their forms. So along this back wall, and then all of our chocolate bars are right down here. They're cut into two sections, so this left half is our single origins, and then this right side is inclusions. Single origin.
Sorry, I don't have any spoons available.
It'll just be me,
I'm
so.
gonna try this.
Okay.
and say it's very
Oh, you
better.
gonna try it?
No, you are.
It's quite the crunch.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. There's no sweetness to it at all. It's like just, and you can, it's even hard to tell that it's chocolate
Right? Exactly.
because it's been roasted so much. I don't think so.
These are our treasures. This is a chocolate cupcake with a raspberry dusting on it. Some chocolate covered cherries. Bob's adding a chocolate bar with whiskey. And we're getting some chocolate covered caramels for Susan. We did our damage.
Yes, this is what happens when you take Susan into a scrapbook store
Can't
of this
help it.
magnitude.
We're
What?
on vacation and I can't even help it. A very long vacation. I'm keeping myself entertained.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Look at this store. This is incredible. I don't think I'm going to see Susan for at least a week.
You're gonna put yourself on the video.
Hey, honey, stick around.
Huh?
Stick around.
Stick around. Can I come in? I just bought a few things. Can
You
I come
did?
in? Just a few.
Oh my God, they let you out, huh?
I'm a happy camper.
Well, come on in and let's see.